Subaru has always been synonymous with dependability and ruggedness. But guess what? The 2024 Subaru Forester will redefine the game once again, brilliantly combining innovation with style. If you've been wondering how Subaru will switch things up, then you're in luck. Here's everything you need to know about the 2024 Subaru Forester. When will it arrive? Undoubtedly the one question on everyone's mind. The 2024 Subaru Forester's arrival is expected in the market by the end of 2023. The Forester is currently in its 5th generation, and some experts believe the 2024 version will kickstart the new 6th generation. This is merely an assumption, and while there are no official announcements to back this up, we can only hope that this turns out to be true. New generation models always feature major changes, redesigns, and additions, making the market far more exciting. So what should you expect? Back in 2019, we saw a complete remodel for the Subaru Forester. In 2022, the compact SUV had not much in the way of redesigns, and 2023 was no different either. However, for the 2024 model, Subaru is promising us a lot more. One thing is for sure, the 2024 Subaru Forester will hit the auto markets this year. That means lots of catching up and anticipating to do before then. We have a list of possible and rumored changes, additions, and subtractions. Let's take a quick look. The engine. For the 2024 Forester's engine, we expect Subaru to stick to the 2.5-liter boxer engine. And while things will remain the same as far as the engine is concerned, we expect a retune, which will help enhance performance and improve gas mileage. But again, nothing too crazy in this department. The 2.5-liter engine will produce 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.3 seconds for the regular models, and a marginally faster 8.1 seconds for the Wilderness variants. Just in case you didn't know, the Wilderness is actually a Subaru Forester variant, known for its increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and better off-road capabilities. That means if your regular terrain happens to be a little tougher than usual, the 2024 Forester still has you covered. Gas mileage. Barring any major changes, we expect the 2024 Forester's fuel economy to remain the same, or at least similar to its predecessor, the 2023 Forester. The fuel economy figures, seeing as the 2023 model came in at 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. The numbers, however, dropped to 25 and 28 miles per gallon in the Wilderness variants. Like we already established earlier, we don't expect any dramatic improvements to that when the 2024 Forester finally surfaces. Cabin and cargo space. For a while now, interior space has been one of the Subaru Forester's strongest suits. Despite being a compact SUV, the 2023 Subaru Forester towers above its competition with 43.3 inches of front legroom and 39.4 inches of rear legroom. That's better than the Toyota RAV4 at 41 and 37.8 inches and the Kia Sportage at 41.4 and 41.3 inches. The 2023 Subaru Forester boasts 74.2 cubic feet of cargo space when the seats are down, which sets it just above the RAV4 and the Sportage. On the flip side, there isn't much cargo room when you flip the seats back up, as there's only 28.9 cubic feet of space. That's less than the 37.6 cubic feet in the RAV4 and 39.6 cubic feet in the Kia Sportage. Without any serious major changes, we expect the 2024 Subaru Forester to maintain the status quo in the area of interior and cargo space. Infotainment technology. What's a 21st century car without sophisticated tech and infotainment features? Over the years, up until its latest 2023 model, the Subaru Forester has done a good job in the area of infotainment. The 2023 Subaru Forester had a standard 6.5-inch touchscreen and a special 8-inch touchscreen for the pricier trims. Other standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 front-row USB ports, satellite radio, HD radio, and a 4-speaker stereo. Subaru engineers will very likely replicate these same features in the 2024 Subaru Forester. However, some within the industry believe the Forester will finally get its own 11.6-inch touchscreen as included in other Subaru cars. Safety features. The standard safety features found in the 2023 Subaru Forester include a rear-view camera, adaptive headlights, rear seat alert, lane departure warning, etc. A forward-facing camera system, reverse automatic emergency braking, and driver attention monitoring system were also made available for the high-end trims. We expect the 2024 Subaru Forester to incorporate the same safety features found in its predecessor. We also believe that will earn it the coveted 5-star NHTSA rating as it did in the 2023 Forester. Seating capacity. We expect the 2024 Forester to come standard with 5 seats and cloth upholstery, same as what we have in the 2023 Subaru Forester. Other expected features include heated and power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, and genuine leather upholstery. The 2024 Forester will also have 2 sets of latch connectors for the outboard seats at the back. Latch, short for lower anchors and tethers for children, is a system that makes it significantly easier to correctly install child safety seats. A replica of the 2023 Forester's car seats, which critics have lauded for its versatility and ease of use. Exterior styling. Truth is, the Subaru Forester isn't known for having the prettiest exterior among its competitors. However, it does have a penchant for making styling adjustments frequently, and we expect a few tweaks for the 2024 Subaru Forester. And if it's the case that the 2024 Forester debuts as a whole new generation, we might see major facelifts. Off-road capabilities. No one really expects much anymore from the Subaru Forester when it comes to off-road performance. While it rides decently on dirt roads, it can't match models like the Ford Bronco or the Jeep Wrangler in that area. Hence, we don't expect any dramatic improvement as far as off-road capabilities are concerned. The 2024 Forester is expected to come standard with an all-wheel drive system, which will boost traction on rough terrains. It'll also have a wilderness trim, which will slightly increase the model's capability, all thanks to its decent 9.2-inch ground clearance, as well as the skid plate and all-terrain tires among other features. Unfortunately, it will remain close to the bottom of the rung in the area of off-road capabilities. Towing capacity. The 2023 Subaru Forester debuted with a maximum towing capacity of 1,500 pounds for regular models and 3,000 pounds for the wilderness. We expect the 2024 Forester to have the same capacity. Reliability rating. The Subaru Forester has always enjoyed excellent reliability ratings from industry pundits like J.D. Power. The 2023 model notched an 84 out of 100 reliability rating, which is great. Barring any significant drop in quality, the 2024 Forester will boast a similar score, if not better, the good and the bad. If the 2024 Subaru Forester replicates the quality of its predecessors, you can expect some major pros, including a comfortable and spacious cabin, great safety scores, and nimble handling, among others. The likely cons are not-so-handsome styling, subpar off-roading, and the possible absence of a hybrid powertrain. With the 2024 Subaru Forester, we can anticipate a continuation of Subaru's commitment to excellence, with many Subaru fans ready to part with their money. However, there is an alternative. Click the video on your screen to learn more about the smaller Subaru Crosstrek.